In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Wi-Fi band from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz on a Windows laptop or PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually press the Windows Start button, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to open up your settings. Within your settings, on this left-hand section, select Network and Internet, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and then click the search bar up at the very top. From here, go ahead and type in Device Manager, and then select the option that does appear, and it's going to pull up with the page that looks like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do, and let me make this just a little bit bigger so it's easier for you guys to see, is find your Wi-Fi adapter within here. This is going to be in that network and adapter section right here. Go ahead and select it and then find that specific adapter. It literally should say network adapter on it. Go ahead and double click it and then go into the advanced tab from the pop-up that is going to appear. Within this pop-up right here, you're going to see a 5 gigahertz channel bandwidth. Go ahead and select that and make sure the value is set to auto. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and select OK. And after you do this, disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi. And now if you open up your settings and go to that exact same section, specifically though, the network and internet section here, you're going to see that it says that you are connected to 5 gigahertz bands. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.